Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to mount a new adapter for the original GPS dock of the BMW 1200 GS so that I can mount my TomTom Rider 550. So before I had this SP Connect, which was fine, but with this new adapter I should be able to mount it onto here. On the original dock that is supposed to sit here, and then you can lock it in place, and you also get the power directly from the bike. So it'll be better than to have the GPS straight onto this SP Connect mount and have a plug into the outlet and a wire. So it should be a little bit easier, a little bit better with this adapter. So I will try to mount it and see how it goes. Okay, I'll start by taking this off. This was easy. Just have to find the right key. That's it. Okay. So we have to be really careful because these ones are loose. Oh, there we go. Lost one. I can see it. It's really tricky. Better not lose them. I'm actually gonna take a little bit of tape on the back of the screws here. So this one should go here. Okay, if I understand it right, you should just mount the adapter on directly to the GPS and then lock it in place in the dock. That wasn't really what I expected, but yeah. So the actual GPS is going to be a little bit more clumsy. It's supposedly locked like that. Yeah, you can't take this off. Alright. Okay, so the ultimate test then. Yeah, it works. You see the TomTom fired up. It is hanging a bit too low for my taste. I'm going to lift it up a little bit, but so that I can have it right here. Okay, so now I'm just gonna secure this a little bit better. So that's it. It was really an easy job, and it looks a bit clumsy with this adapter on. I have to admit that, but on the other hand, the original RAM mount for the TomTom is equally bulky as well, so it really doesn't matter. This is really good that you can get the power directly from the bike and no need to use the outlet. Okay. Very pleased, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you on to the next.